Hi, my name is Victoria Magana. Today's date is June 16, 2019, and I will be going over the digestive system, imagining a cheeseburger being eaten and passing through the digestive system. Now, the digestive system begins in the mouth well before the food reaches the stomach. When we see, smell, taste, or even imagine a tasty meal, our glands in the front of the ear, under the tongue, and near the jaw begin to make saliva or spit. As the teeth tear and chop up all the food, spit moistens it for easy swallowing. Um, so for easy swallowing. Um, Once we swallow it done by the muscular, which is done by the muscular muscles movements of the tongue and the mouth, it moves the food down to the pharynx, which is a passageway for food and air. A soft flap tissue called the epiglottis closes over the windpipe when we swallow to prevent choking. From the throat, food travels down the muscular tube to the chest, called the esophagus. The wave of the muscle contraction, called peristalsis, forces food down through the esophagus to the stomach. At the end of the esophagus, a muscular ring called sphincter allows food to enter the stomach and then squeezes shut to keep food and fluid from flowing back up to the esophagus. The stomach muscles churn and mix the food with digestive tissue that has acid and enzymes, which allows it to break into smaller digestible pieces. By the time the food is ready to leave the stomach, it has been processed into a thick liquid called chyme. The muscular valves at the outlet of the stomach, called pylorus, keeps chyme in the stomach until it reaches the right consistency to pass into the small intestine. Chyme is then squirted down into the small intestine, where the digestion of the food continues so the body can absorb the nutrient into the bloodstream. The small intestine has three different parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The inner walls of the small intestine are covered with small little finger-like projections called villi. The villi are where the nutrients get absorbed into the bloodstream. The blood then brings these nutrients to the rest of the body. From the small intestine, the undigested food travels to the large intestine through a muscular ring that prevents food from returning back up to the small intestine. By the time food reaches the large intestine, the work of absorbing nutrients is nearly finished. The large intestine's main job is to remove the water from the undigested matter and form solid waste so we could poop. And then it goes to the rectum, where it turns into feces, and that's where it leaves the digestion through the anus as a bowel movement. Now, this whole process takes a few hours for the body to digest. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you.